Meaning of investiture.
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 Investiture. The term investiture can refer to a few different things depending on the context. In general, it has the broad meaning of a formal ceremony in which authority, rank or office is conferred upon someone. For example, a political leader may receive an investiture, formally receiving the authority to lead a country. It can also refer to the clothing or insignia that is worn during such a ceremony. In the context of feudalism or medieval history, investiture specifically refers to the act of granting a fief, which was a piece of land, to a person who would then become a vassal and swear loyalty to the lord who granted the fief. In the context of religion, investiture can refer to the act of installing or ordaining a priest, bishop, or other religious leader into their position of authority within a church.